KeyDigital's KD-WP8-3 is an 8-button control keypad with IP, IR, and RS-232 control, all built in. KD-WP8-3 receives its power from your PoE network, so you don't have to have any power supplies connected to have any ugly wall warts on the wall whatsoever. Direct IR and RS-232 control could be expanded by using KeyDigital's master controller, also living on your network via PoE, or send control to your IP devices with TCP/IP, UDP, and Telnet control over the network, all supported natively in the KD-WP8-3. The accessory kit includes 10 ice cube button caps with 10 white backgrounds and an icon pack with 175 modern icons and commonly used device stickers. Plus, we have a PowerPoint and PDF templates you can download for free on our webpage, KeyDigital.com, to build your own custom buttons. We take a look at a keypad installed on the wall. We have latching buttons. We could do press and hold to continuously send commands. We can even lock and unlock the keypad with the 2-button press combo. Here we see how the keypad is programmed in the web interface, where we could see the command string entered in a very easy to use interface, complete with documentation and programming videos available for viewing from the product page. We then see the KeyDigital app, where we can press the keypad virtually, or even through the web UI, so you can load this as a bookmark on your client's devices, computers, phones, tablets of all sorts, which is fully 2-directional. For more information, you go to www.keydigital.com for KD-WP8-3.